me and Vera Harrison would just like to say hi, welcome to the video and welcome back. I hope you are all feeling wonderful, and today I'm talking about maternity sewing patterns because, let's face it, I've been trying to find clothes that are going to make me feel comfortable from the point I'm at now, whereas I feel uncomfortable, to the point where I'm giving birth, and it's so hard to find something that I think is gonna last. I think maternity clothing can be really expensive, kind of for what you get, and I kind of think, meh, I don't want to actually buy all this clothing for it to only last a couple of months and then have to be donated, thrown away, or even sold, and the hassle of all that just seems a little bit too much. And so I decided to think, well, I know how to sew. How about I look at making my own clothing for during maternity? I actually really struggled to find some decent sewing patterns when I first started looking. So I headed to a sewing group on Facebook. They helped me out, and here are my top 10 best maternity sewing patterns for you. Of course, I have done a free maternity patterns video, so I'll leave a link to that one in the description. That has less patterns and more like DIYs. This is definitely patterns, so if you don't want to do DIYs and you're not interested in that kind of thing, if you want to be able to buy a pattern, follow the instructions and make a garment, these are for you. So number 1 on the list is the Giver Maternity Dress by Deer & Doe. I'm sorry, Deer & Doe, I've probably just really ruined your name there on the pattern. But this is a beautiful pattern for pregnant women. It's stretchy, which I'm sure we all can appreciate. And it's really nice summery. So if you're looking to, if you're looking at having most of your kind of maternity, pregnancy in summer, then this is perfect for you. It's nice and long. You can actually adapt this to be longer if you wanted. I think you could even probably find a sleeve pattern if you really want to put a sleeve on it, to add to it to winter or make it last longer, or even if you're having to go through a winter pregnancy, then you could still use this and just add a little bit to it. I personally would, because I feel like the basics, the hard work's done for you really. Number 2 is the Alyssa top by Megan Nielsen. So again, Megan Nielsen has done plenty of patterns, really nice ones, like there's a whole range, but this is specifically for maternity wear. There is other ones. I think she's literally just released these. I think she's got like 3 or 4 like top patterns around the same sort of style. Some of them are like wrap over. This one's just literally like a t-shirt, like a long sleeve t-shirt. But so I'll leave a link in the description to the blog post and to the pattern itself. So if you're wanting to browse the other ones she's got, you can check them out there. Number 3 is a Patin Dress by Tilly and the Buttons. So if you've been living under a rock, or you're just getting started on sewing, or you're just getting into it because you want to make something yourself, then the Patin Dress you can make it as it is for every day, or you can make it into maternity wear. So there is an adaptation. I'll leave a link in the description with the adaptation from Tilly and the Buttons for styling it for maternity wear. This again is a really nice dress. You can wear it in summer or winter, dress it with some leggings or even like some tights underneath or something, and it's really versatile. So even if you're making it earlier on in your pregnancy, it should be great because it'll last you until the end, and you can kind of just wear it at any time. Number 4 is the Blossom Blouse by Sew Over It. So again, much like Tilly and the Buttons, Sew Over It has a wide range of patterns available. They are all really great, really nice. And so this top, again, you can do it as a normal, I believe, or you can do it in the maternity range. So I like that you can, even when you've got this pattern, the adaptation for the maternity range is there, and you can kind of go between, which I really like. So this is really nice and basic. So if you're looking for something to wear to work, or you're wanting, because it's got the longer sleeve, if you're wanting some more covering, a little bit less, you know, on show, or you're a bit more self-conscious, or you just prefer to wear sleeves, or you're cold, this is a really good top for that. Number 5 on the list is the Amaryllis dress by Smooth Society. So again, this is a free sewing pattern, so it's perfect for anyone who's looking to work on a budget or just try something out new and they don't really want to invest a lot of money. This is great. It's also a really good dress. It's really nice because I feel like it's very a summery dress, but also not too summery. I like it because it's got like a little like short sleeve, probably just above the elbow. It's got a wrap over kind of top, so it feels, I can't think of the word, but it's nice. It feels decorative without being too fussy, and it's just got like a tiered skirt, which is also great. A tiered skirt is perfect for maternity because obviously with the ruffles and the gathers, it just automatically gives you all this fabric for your body to grow in, and you don't have to feel like you're being restricted in any way. So a tiered skirt for maternity wear is perfect, and this really fits the bill. So I really enjoyed this one. I'm actually going to make this one myself, so stay tuned because that video will be coming and I'll talk you through my experience of using the pattern and everything with it. So number 6 is the Legs Leggings pattern by Patins for Pirates. So I found this one, which was recommended to me. You can make the leggings as they are for non-maternity wear, but they also have an adaptation to the pattern for maternity wear. So if you are looking for a pair of leggings anyway, great pattern. But if you're looking for maternity leggings, they have that option too. And these are just great because I don't know anybody that hasn't gone through some part of their pregnancy without wearing like a pair of maternity leggings. It's like a staple choice. That is the one thing I've been told to get the most. So yeah, that's a pattern there if you're looking to make your own. Number 7 on the list is the IIV Pinifor by Seamwork. So I found this one just by like deep dive searching on the internet, and I found it's really cute. It's really nice because I feel like you can wear this for a number of different occasions. You dress it up and down, and I feel like you can really do a lot with it. You can put like a little cute blouse underneath or just a stretched t-shirt, and so it's very versatile in that sense. It's also made to kind of obviously be a bit more fitted around the top of the area of the bust, but then once it gets below the bust, it's just drop, and you know, so flowy and so easy to wear, so you've got plenty of space for you and bump to grow. Number 8 is a PDF pattern for a nursing top by Ministry of Patterns on Etsy. So I found this one and I thought it was really good because especially for those who are looking for patterns that kind of translate from pregnancy into maternity and breastfeeding, then this is a great option for you. I know that you can buy these kind of tops in shops, but if you're looking to have something a bit more personal in your style or even in your colour that you want and you've not been able to find it, this is a perfect pattern for that. So number 9 is a jumpsuit pattern by Niu collection on Etsy. I'm sorry if I said that all wrong, I apologise. I'm usually okay with like names, but some of these are just a bit much for me. It's baby brain already. Can we blame it on that? Let's try. So I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was a shop bought one. I could never find the link until I actually went into Etsy itself and was looking for patterns, because like a lot of people make great sewing patterns that are like indie patterns just on Etsy. So I was looking on Etsy, found it, and I fell in love, and I'm like, oh, I've got to buy it. So I'm really excited because I love a jumpsuit, like love a jumpsuit. So I'm gonna buy this one, and they also do another one, but I'll talk about that in a minute. So the jumpsuit, it's pretty much just like a big drop. It's kind of like harem pants kind of thing, but in a jumpsuit, so there's just fabric everywhere. So you can wear these even when you're not pregnant, or you can also wear them when you're pregnant because of the kind of like volume of fabric included in the garment. Obviously there's room for growth in all kinds of directions, which I love. You can use like a soft jersey. I think it could look really nice in like a really nice soft cozy jersey. Especially if you're going into winter, you could make it into a thicker jersey, but for summer I'd go thinner. Or you could even make it into a linen if you really wanted, but I feel like jersey would sit better. But yeah, I was so excited to find this pattern because I feel like it's a really good option, especially for those who don't really want to wear dresses, because I don't always want to wear a dress. So if you're looking for something a bit more trouser-like, but don't want to restrict yourself to trousers, this is a great option. So enjoy. And then finally, number 10 is by the same people, Niu collection on Etsy, and this is the midi dress. So this again is like a kind of like a cocoon type style dress. It's just kind of like big and spacious, I think the word is. So again, you can wear this even if you're not in during your pregnancy, and you can wear it. And you can wear it for maternity wear, so it is advertised for both. So just kind of check out your measurements before you buy the size, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the links in the description for all the patterns, and check out my next video. I'll leave a link to it here. Make sure you check out the rest of my sewing pattern videos. I'll leave a playlist in the description so you can kind of binge watch on those. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.